This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the device and app can use body detection lock. This saves time and avoids surprises. Next, enable camera, motion, and location permissions so detection runs continuously. Once done, place the camera at eye level, roughly 1 to 3 meters from where the person will stand. Good lighting and a clean background make detection reliable. Don't waste time fiddling with filters now. Get the core permissions and physical setup right so the system can learn the subject immediately. You now configure the detection parameters and calibrate the system for your environment. Open the lock feature, pick body detection mode, and set an initial sensitivity. Medium is a safe start. Then ask the person to perform a short calibration routine. Face the camera, turn slowly, and step side to side. This teaches the model the body shape and motion patterns. After that, check the live preview and tweak sensitivity, camera angle, or exposure until you see consistent locks and minimal false triggers. You finish by saving a profile and enabling auto lock and notifications so the system acts without your constant input. Now test the lock across variations, different clothing, dimmer light, and brief occlusions like hands or bags to ensure robustness. If detection fails or triggers incorrectly, reset the calibration and replay the walkthrough. Lower sensitivity if false positives persist. Move the camera slightly or increase lighting. Finally, make sure firmware and app updates are installed, because many glitches come from outdated software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.